Hi guys, Jen. I'm the co-founder of trèStiQue, and I'm here to show you how to get the perfect no makeup, glowing complexion. I'm going to use my tinted face stick in Tulum Nude and two highlighters, Maldives and Bondi. Maldives is the first step. You take your highlight and you draw it on your face where the light naturally hits. So in a triangular shape here on the cheeks, and spread generously the tops of your nose. I like it a little bit in the middle of my forehead. And I like it also here on the brow bone. Now the trick with blending is that you want your sponge to be a little bit dirty. So you take the product on your hand, you warm up your sponge, especially if it's new, prime it with a little bit of product so that when you go in to blend, it's not removing product, it's really seamlessly getting into the skin. I like to use also my fingers if I'm home. I love the applicator here, dabbing it under the brow bone. So now you take your tinted face stick and you just layer it on top of that beautiful luminescent canvas. Again with the sponge, warm it up in your hand, make sure it's primed and ready to blend, and then go in. I use short blending motions and some areas, especially under the eye, in dabbing motions as well, and around the nose. Once you're all blended, I like to take Bondi Beach Glow and add more of a sheen right on the tops of my cheekbones. And this one has a bit of a rosy glow. And I use my fingertips just to pat it into the skin. So finished result, glowing, perfect, no makeup skin, the perfect amount of coverage and light luminescent glow.